So hey, what is up guys, this is me Huzafa and you're watching Huzafa Zone, and this video is about the comparison between Nvidia's new graphic card versus Nvidia's old ones. I mean to say these are RTX second generation and the first generation. I mean to say I will compare both of the graphic card price, performance and all other things in gaming, editing and streaming as well. I will compare RTX 2080 Ti versus RTX 3070. These both graphic card are a premium graphic card range category of Nvidia, so I will be comparing both of these graphic card in this video. So which one is to buy in 2020 and 2021? As you know, these graphic card are going to be on sale on September 27 and September 24 as well. So if you are looking to buy it, then I will provide the links in description so you can buy these graphic card as well. So let's compare both of these graphic card. As you know, Nvidia has also told us that these graphic card have same price that Nvidia have launched these RTX 3000 series at the same price as of 2080 Ti. So people who have bought RTX 2080 Ti at this time or recent months or recent times, so they will be in a great loss and they are going to sell their graphic card. So people who are interested in buying used graphic card, so they are going to get some great deals as well. So if we compare both of the graphic card, as you know, the price is almost the same because Nvidia has this time given us a great opportunity to buy good graphic cards. Okay, if we talk about FPS and other things, RTX series 3000 series will be double powerful than the previous generation. I mean to say RTX first generation, which is 2080 Ti and 2000 series graphic card. RTX 3000 series will be double powerful than RTX 2080 Ti, which is a great sign, and it will only cost what the RTX 2080 cost us. So this is a great deal, so we can buy this graphic card as well in future as well. So I am looking forward to buy this graphic card in future. So yeah, I hope so that you are also waiting for this graphic card to launch and buy this one. In streaming, in gaming and in editing, all these things, Nvidia has proved that their company is best versus AMD, and now it has on competition with its previous generation, which is a 20 series, or I mean to say 2000 series, and it has beaten up 20000 series, and we will see some benchmarks in near future when this cards launches. So I will make a comparison video again for comparing both of the graphic card in different games and different softwares, because this graphic card is not launched yet, but you will get almost 20 fps, 30 fps, 25 to 30 fps more in different games and all other stuff as well. So this will be a great deal for gamers, streamers and the persons and productivity as well. Okay, the price difference, yeah, now RTX 20's price will drop as well, but the performance of RTX 3000 series will be the huge thing, will be massive, and I will recommend you to go with RTX 3000 series, which will be a huge success for upcoming 4 to 5 years, and you don't need to change your graphic card for up to 3 to 5 years, because this graphic card is coming with many features, like it has built-in streaming encoders and other stuff as well, which you can stream on different platform as well, and it has plenty of features. It has ray tracing, and it has increased performance. It has a great performance and other stuff in this graphic card. So I will recommend you to buy this one. So this is my opinion. Share your opinion in the comment section as well. I hope so you will enjoy the video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Peace out. Bye guys, stay tuned.